Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Today I will tell you about those universities who have just online apply and no application fee and no need to send hard copies, just online apply. So let's start. So click here on the first link, type CSC Guide official and click on the first link. When you click on the first link, you can reach our website. So you can see CS scholarship admissions, and if you want to check the president scholarships that started, if you want to check the president scholarship admissions, you can click on president scholarship. So let's start with having just online apply. So first university is Zhejiang Science Tech University. So many students confused about that this university needs to send hard copies, but we confirm from the international office, they says no need to send hard copies. So 31st of March is the last date. If you want to apply for this scholarship, then apply as soon as possible. All international students can apply. This is for master and PhD students. And how you apply for this scholarship: first you fill the CSC online application form, second you fill the ZSTU online portal. Click here and upload our required documents. No need to send hard copies. And which documents required for this? These are the documents which they required. Okay, and the next university is, and the next one is University of Electronic Science and Technology of China, UESTC. USTC is something else and UESTC is something else. Okay, UESTC, and you can see 20th of April is the last date. So they extend the date. Chinese government scholarship, everything is free. How you apply for this scholarship: apply on just fill CSC application form, second you fill university application form. When your initial review will be cleared, then they demand for the application fee of 420 RMB. Okay, click here to apply on CSC portal, click here to apply on UESTC online application portal. These are the documents required. These are the documents which they required. Okay, and the next one is that Central South University. The Central South University, you everyone knows about that. Central South University have just online apply, no need to send hard copies. When your initial review will be cleared, they demand, I think, 500 RMB application fee. 15th of June for university scholarship is the last date, and I think for this scholarship I think in April I think is the last date. Okay, how you apply for this scholarship: first you fill the CSC online application for this university scholarship. You fill the application form and upload our required documents. Okay, when your initial review will be clear, then they demand for fee 500 RMB. They select many students for scholarship. So if they ask to pay the fee when your initial review will be cleared, they then must pay the fee. But for master and PhD students, they demand acceptance letter. So acceptance letter is mandatory. Okay, and the next one is that Jiangsu University. If you think about that, Jiangsu University have required documents. They need to send hard copies. They demand hard copies. So don't worry about this. We confirm it from the international office. They says they do not need any kind of hard copies. So 10th of April is the last date. Apply as soon as possible. Okay, how you apply for the scholarship: first you fill the CSC online application form, second you fill the Jiangsu University online application form. Okay, and the documents required for this you can see here. Okay, mailing address is just for formality, so no need to send hard copies to this university. Okay, no is the Dongbei University of Finance, Dufei. Okay, if you want to apply this scholarship for this university, apply as soon as possible. 31st of March is the last date. Okay, and how you apply for this scholarship: first you fill the CSC online application form, second you fill the university online application form, upload all required documents. Okay, click here to fill the CSC online application form and click here for the university online application form portal. These are the documents which they required. Okay, now the next one is, Lanzhou University of Lanzhou University, and Lanzhou University have just online apply. They don't need any kind of hard copies. So maybe in June is the last date. So if you want to apply in this university, then apply as soon as possible. So these are this is stipend which they give. Okay, all international students can apply. So how you apply for this scholarship: first you fill the Lanzhou University online application form and upload all required documents. No application fee, and these are the documents which they required. Okay, the next step is the Southwest Jiaotong University. Okay, Southwest Jiaotong University president scholarship and CSC scholarship both don't need to send hard copies. No application fee. For president scholarship is I think it's May 1 2020 is the last, but I think for CSC scholarship it's in April, 30th of April I think. Okay, These are the second part, and in the first part we also uploaded on our websites about these universities. Okay, those universities have just online apply. How you apply for this scholarship? First you fill the SWGATU online application form and upload all required documents. Okay, for CSE scholarship, first you fill the CSE online application form, and second you fill the SWGATU online application form, upload all required documents, and then wait for your final result. Okay, check your status daily. Okay, now Kobe University of Science and Technology have just online apply, and the 15th of March is the last date. So very sorry for that. The deadline has been over. But if you want to apply for university scholarship, if they announced university scholarship within within one or 2 days, I upload the requirement of this university on our website cscguideofficial.com. Okay, so don't worry about this. Okay, now the third and then next is Dalian Jiaotong University. Okay, and this university they just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 31st of March is the last date to apply. All international students can apply. Just fill CSE online application form, and no need to apply on university portal, no application fee. Just send your documents to this email address, and but they demand HSK 4 before applying. But if you have HSK 1 or 2, then it's also acceptable, I think. Okay, if you have acceptance letter, then apply. Okay, if acceptance letter is not mandatory, but if you have, then it's much positive impact on your application package. Okay, the next one is the ANSU scholarship. Okay, ANSU scholarship it's for USTC, UCAS, and it's as well. So I suggest everyone apply in this university as soon as possible, because they are sending emails to those students who passed the initial review, and it's not been ended yet. So if you apply in this university, then you can. So try to apply in this university. No application fee, no need to send hard copies for this UCAS and USTC. And this one is the University of Science and Technology, China, USTC. Yes, USTC, a Chinese government scholarship, is also announced. 15th of March is the last date for Chinese government scholarship. So I think it's been over. But if you want to apply for ANSU scholarship, the still date has not been over ended. So apply. So I don't know if 15th of March is the last date, but if you want to apply in other scholarships, so then apply as soon as possible. Okay, Wuhan University of Technology, just online apply, no need to send hard copies, no need to pay application fee, and how you apply for this: first you fill the CSE online application form, second you fill the Wuhan University of Technology online application portal, and these are the documents which they required. So acceptance letter is just for formality, not mandatory. Okay, hope you like this video. If you like this video, then visit our website cscguideofficial.com. subscribe our YouTube channel. If you think that we are giving you useful information, then you subscribe, otherwise don't. Okay, good luck, take care, and we will meet you in the next video.